Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, the second part of my latest video, which I made on SciSpace new features, the built-in library agent, and then the Word doc editor that was editing the paper simultaneously as you prompted. So that, as well as other features, are going to be linked in the description below. But today's feature is particularly interesting. That's why I'm filming this video, to show you how you can use it. I'm going to link SciSpace in the description below. Make sure to visit that link. So first, I'm just going to use the deep research feature. Now it comes with something called the verified report. The verified report helps with verifying each citation and making sure that all citations are not made up. We're just going to try that out now. I'm just going to type my research question, and usually we start out by doing a literature review to study the topic and to make sure that we know everything about it. Just first collect as many papers as we can. For that, I'm going to use the deep research feature and the verified report. There's also 3 features here that you can use. I'm going to use the pro option, and I'm going to ask it to find papers on climate change. As we already know, it shows us the thinking process and the different steps that it takes to reach that specific goal. First, to just doing a comprehensive deep review on climate change across multiple databases, and I think I covered that feature in a previous video also in the playlist that I told you about. After the deep search, it comes out with the papers that it found relevant to the topic, and here it says that it found 298 relevant papers for the query climate change, and it's showing you what exactly it finds so that you can stop the prompt, or you can pivot it and ask it to redirect its search towards something else. Now, one thing that I absolutely like is that it combines all of the findings in one Excel sheet, and it ranks those results as well. And if you click on that, you'll find the Excel sheet that I told you about. As you can see here, 230, how relevant they are, and the titles. You can get the DOI. These are the results, basically just the combined results paper table. And if you want to get one PDF here, you can just download it from a library, and this library has many papers. All you have to do is just search for your institution to sign up and to see if your institution grants you access to this specific paper. I personally find this helpful because it allows you to have just one workspace. You don't have to open different databases, sign up, and collect papers from different places. So that helps save your time. I'm just going to make sure that I selected verified report, and this time I'm just going to ask the agent to turn all of these papers into one literature review. Now it's executing the plan actually by writing each section in order. And because I selected verified report whilst I'm building the prompt, it's now verifying all the citations in each step. So it's finished writing the introduction, and it's finished verifying the citations of the introduction. But we're also gonna double check and see if those citations are actually correct or if they're made up. It's found 2 citation issues in environmental and ecological impacts, which is a subsection, and it's replaced them in that specific section. Now I know what to check. Normally I check all of the citations, but just for this video I'm just gonna do like a random selection, but I actually want to check the citations in this section. All the sections are now properly structured, and it's then checking the citations of the entire document. The structure of the report is as follows: introduction, then these sections, and then a conclusion. Let's see how it turned out. An abstract first, then the introduction with supposedly accurate citations, citation number 3, and it's climate change and its impact on the ecosystem. Let's see this specific paper. You also need to get it using your institution. Let's just see the paper if it is correct or not. Here's the paper with the abstract, and let's see if it's correct in the reference list itself. Here's the reference list. It's the 3rd paper, and let's see if the DOI is correct. Yeah, so this is the first paper that we're checking. As I said, there are certain errors in certain sections that the agent supposedly caught and corrected. So let's go back to these. This is citation number 17, and this is the actual paper. If you click on the DOI, it redirects us to the paper, global warming present scenario. You can see all of the information. So that's reference number 17. Let's go to reference number 15. So all you need is just one research tool, and it just keeps adding more features that can help you minimize the tools that you use each time you update your research. But if you already work on Claude, there is this very interesting feature, which is a SciSpace connector. You can add that connector to your Claude. Instead of copying abstracts across and hitting context limits, you can just use the SciSpace connector on Claude and cut down the time needed for all of that. I'm just gonna search for SciSpace and add that. And it says here that you can use these tools, add column and search papers. Now whenever I'm chatting with Claude, I can just toggle that connector, and I'm gonna use the SciSpace connector here. I'm just gonna ask it to conduct a comprehensive literature review on climate change. I just want a broad overview, and you can customize your prompt here. So I'm guessing it's searching the papers that are already on the SciSpace database. And the task now is finished, and here's the final brief report. And it's also linked the sources. These are all the features that I have for you in this video. You can get access to all of these features with a new discount that they are having. They're having this 35% off the max plan, which allows you to get 40,000 credits. If you want to get access to it, I'll leave all the information that you need in the description. And if you want to get started, you can do so simply by clicking the link that I'll leave in the comments and the description. And check out the description for more social media links and the blog posts as well. Take a look over on my channel to see more videos, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.